Mario here, and so what you're looking at is Apple stock on the 15-minute time chart interval. And I'm just going to go over this trade that I did today that led me to $60 profit. And I think I alerted this in the Discord as an option trade, or maybe I didn't alert it, maybe I did, I don't know. But this led me $60 profit. And I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I took this play and 3 confirmations that made me take this play, okay? First off, let's get this out of the way. This yellow circle right here, this was actually my entry. It was around like 146 even, like, or maybe 145.90, and that was my entry. And this orange circle was my exit. It was around like 146.60 to 146.55. Okay. First things first. As you can see on the 15-minute chart interval, so this big candlestick has engulfed the previous red one, and that kind of gave me confirmation that, hey, so Apple stock might keep running after this. And of course it did. So that was one reason why, because of the 15-minute time chart, the candlestick on the 15-minute time interval has engulfed the previous candlestick, and that gave me confirmation. And another big confirmation was on the 15-minute chart. This is not much of a big pattern you can see, but you can see it's kind of making a setting triangle. So, not really, but what I did was I connected to the bottom of yesterday's close, or the aftermarket, and I kind of connected like a bottom baseline, and that was used as the top baseline as the setting triangle right here. See the continuous pattern. If we go on the 5-minute chart real quick, let's see if I can find it. Yeah, see, so what I did was so I used the bottom base. I used the bottom as a baseline, as a top baseline of yesterday's aftermarket or a close on Apple, and that was used as a top baseline for the setting triangle. And you can see there was a continuous trend line following right here, and it was met. And then it finally broke out of this ascending triangle. And look, so the resistance was around like 146, and it broke that. And how I knew it was 146, because I went on the 15-minute interval chart, and yesterday's aftermarket hours, this green candlestick had an open of a 146.07 right here, and it broke that. And then I sold it after like a 50-cent move, and then it later bounced over here at a 146.08. So 146.07 or 146 was the support. So 146.07 was later used as a support when the previous was a resistance. So yeah, so I took this trade based off 15-minute interval candlestick engulfing and an ascending triangle. And the third reason why is because I noticed a resistance over here from the previous, the close of the market from yesterday. See, so this, I found a bottom after the, so I found a bottom after the market close of yesterday on Apple, and it looked like it was this bottom right here. And I indicated, and I guessed, and I estimated that it was going to be used as resistance later for tomorrow, which it did use this level over here as a resistance. Okay, so this became a resistance for today, and I realized that was the third indication that made me take this play. So simple as that.